Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9Designs. Today is Crafting Our Way to Christmas by Claire's Creations, Part 2, Series number 10. But we have other people that are in this collaboration. They are Simply Blessed Crafts, Craft Away with Jay, Craft Away with May, Sunflower Tasha, Rustic and Lace, Lowly D's Creations, DIY with Aria, Fidget DIY, and me, Z9Designs. So as you can see, I think I am dressed for the part, so sit back and watch. And I will come back later and show you just a little small DIY that I have made. This time of the year is my favorite for seasonal home decorating. There's no better way than to gather holiday decorating inspiration than to scroll through Pinterest or thumb through magazines and decide about all the lovely Christmas items to put in my home. I decorated the various places in my home with a nod to Ralph Lauren. So cozy up by the fire, grab a cup of hot chocolate, sit back, and revel in these wonderful spaces. Just a few simple Christmas decor items added to my entryway creates a unique, wonderful space that anyone would enjoy as they walk into my home. Gold branches in a vase with mercury glass ornaments hung on the branches, and gold bells made from pop cans rest on some white covered books. A garland is wrapped around the mirror with a plaid bow at the end of the garland. Ribbon is everywhere to make the gold pop. The nutcracker in a frame stands at attention to make the entry inviting. As the door shut, a garland of pine cones graces the indoors. Next is a beautiful tablescape for my guests to sit for their Christmas dinner. Red, green, gold, and white are colors that make any guest smile. To even feel more special is a star with your name in your special seat. And light the candles for a moody evening. But the way it looks this time of the year is extra special. Take a peek at the subtle touches of holiday sweetness that is infused in my kitchen. A tiered tray with snow globes, paintings, snowman, and trees gives it that woodland feeling. Over in the corner is a painting of a wreath and a glass jar filled with ornaments. A tray with candles and a tree with handmade ornaments. Isn't it an inviting vignette? Hopping over to the living room, a coffee table tray houses candlesticks in the form of a tree with bells, gold sticks, and a gold and white tree. In addition, a terrarium with a green plant and a terracotta vase sits on top of some books for height. Now I'm obsessed with the fireplace vignette and the gorgeously decorated tree. Most of the items are made by me, Z9designs. As the fireplace glows, the lanterns sit on the floor in front of the fireplace, waiting their turn to shine. Garland with red berries draped the fireplace among gold Christmas trees, books, stockings, plaid ribbon. Close houses candles that are lit to shine on the mantel. And a mirror with a wreath with a red ribbon holding its own. Now there is a bowl that graces the top of the Christmas tree that I made last year. And there are ruby red felted ornaments and others that are green and white. I made plaid bowls for the tree and dispersed them here and there, and I probably will make more to fill in some of the gaps as I see. The chaise lounge holds a pillow with a wreath pinned on to continue with the Ralph Lauren vibe. Above the chaise lounge is a picture that I painted of a wreath, but the bow is a real ribbon that I attached to the painting, and I think this is so fabulous. On the couch are 2 ruby red pillows and 2 green square pillows. On the bench is a plaid shawl and a neutral. A red plaid coaster sits atop bedside stand, and a metal tray houses a wooden tree, candle, ornament, and a small full tree. On the other side, a bowl with a wooden Christmas tree and links sits on top of some books, and a gold vase with Christmas stems and a frame with a thrill of hope saying, "Reminds me of Christ's birth." A large jar with fairy lights and a large Edison bulb sits beside a slipper chair. A vignette with art, a lighted church, manger scene, and a tree is on the side table with garland and red ornaments hanging from the greenery. A handmade bolster pillow is on the bed with a wreath pin in the middle and a plaid fabric on the ends. As we move to the sunroom, another tablescape shows a plaid tablecloth, green chargers, red plates, and a gold salad plate. A Ralph Lauren napkin is threaded through a gold napkin ring and set on the salad plate. Black and gold silverware is along the sides of the charger. A crystal glass sits on top of the gold coaster. And the centerpiece is a paper bowl with a ring of red berries on top with a green candle in the middle, and fairy lights grace the ring of red berries. The table is set for two, and that is all that is necessary for this festive look. And on the couch is a plaid throw with a pillow that says, "Let it snow." And believe me, we have been getting plenty of it. On top of the hassock is a bowl with mints and a candle inside. Another DIY is on the side that reminds me of a bell. This is so pretty. A small full tree is in the bathroom with a candle on the side. The towels have a Christmas pick hanging on the towel. So let me know what you think of what you've seen thus far. Now for my DIY. The supplies needed include a hurricane jar, a candle, a metal Christmas tree tea light holder, white acrylic paint, and that is it. I removed the tea light holder, although it was a bit tough to remove. Next, I cleaned a jar that already had white deer and trees on the outside. I made that with my die cutting machine a couple of years ago. I put the candle inside with some peppermint and set it inside the metal green tree. To make it really winter, I brushed some snow on the branches. Now, Crafting Our Way to Christmas is hosted by Clary from Clary's Creations Part 2. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. The link to her channel is in the description box below. And be sure to do the same for all of the other hosts also. They are Tiffany from Simply Blessed Crafts, May from Craft Away with May, Yvette from Craft Along with Jay, Tasha from Sunflower Tasha, Cindy, that's me, from z9designs, Brenda from Rustic and Lace, Loli from Loli D's Creation, Aria from DIY with Aria, and Lynn from Fidget DIYs. The link to the playlist and their channels is listed in the description box below. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, comment, and save. You all have been great, and I look forward to doing more crafting next year. So if you would like to see something unique or special, just let me know. And remember, with God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. Love, Cindy.